Duct tape and zip ties are going to save my tomato plants. Hey folks, welcome back to the Rock and Sea Homestead. My name is Lance. I want to welcome you to our channel. Today we're over here by our little tomato trellis setup with our little self-wicking tub. And our tomatoes have fallen and they cannot get up on their own. And like the little clip says, we're going to use some duct tape and zip ties to make this happen. As you can see, they're all kind of flopping over. And these things are a good 9 feet tall. And they're all leaned over. Some are leaned over enough to where they may have been broken. I may have to cut some off. But I have some dowel rods, zip ties, and duct tape, and we're gonna get this baby fixed. All right, so we got the poles up. Now we just have to go in here and get these things tied up, or the tomatoes tied up to them. And hopefully that will give them enough support and this won't be too floppy. If we need to, we'll come in with another T-post at some point. I just don't have another one here that's not in use. So for now, I think this is gonna work. So let's see what it looks like after it gets tied up. think we got it fixed up. Like I was saying, duct tape and zip ties and a dowel rod or 2 or 3. I think is going to save our tomato plants here. So this one over here on the left's not as tall, so I didn't put it up as high, but we got them at least tied up for a little bit. Those things are out of control. So hopefully that's going to last and not break this thing all the way over. So we'll see. But guys, thanks for coming back, watching our video. We really do appreciate it. If you guys could give us a big thumbs up, it does help our channel. Hey, if you know anybody that likes this type of content, share it out to them with your friends and family or to anybody else. Would appreciate that dearly. Again, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel right down here. And if you haven't seen us on Instagram or Facebook, the links will be down in the description. And from our homestead to yours, have a blessed day, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye.